Okay, this one's all done for you. Been paper toweled. All right, because we've got the collar right here, you see how we did this? Got it?
Yep.
We're going to use a set of round cookie cutters. We're going to mark this because we want to do that line for the collar. I don't recommend blowing on people cakes. Half on, half off. Set that line. Press in. Now that shows you, that's how you know that it was airbrushed instead of being solid color. We're going to cover that up so it's not a problem. Okay, we've got our red. Now the nice thing about ugly cakes is the ugly cakes, you notice that the airbrush color I used on the cake and the frosting that I mixed up are two different reds. This just adds to the ugly sweater concept. All right, I'm going to put a star tip, number 17. Any small star tips is good. Okay, for the rickrack look on this. Now I'm doing the outer edges first because I want to do a tree line on here for you. So we're going to go a little bit on the background. Zigzag back and forth with that star tip. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to zigzag this one, making sure to cover that. That's where you get good about turning yourself so you can pipe.
Also, the benefit is so I can say, man, that's really ugly, and it'll be a compliment. So
This is true. This is true. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put our border on here.
That's just like a basic shell border.
Basic shell border. When you get really good at this, you can do it at any angle.
And that's tip 17?
Tip 17. Chose tip 17 because it's not a lot of room on the edge of this cake.
Yeah.
Good. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. Really different. Okay. Okay, I'm going to whip this one out on this one side. Faster. Get really fast when you're in a hurry. Practically ugly. Okay, for the Christmas tree, see the angle of the tree on there?
Yep.
Okay, let's do a score line. We're going to give ourselves a line for the tree because we're going to pipe within this. Okay, now the tree, the boughs on the tree, they're not going to be straight across. You see what I'm talking about? A lot of different things going on there. See the three different colors? The white, the green, the dark green, and the light green.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, there's three greens. There's this green, there's that green, there's that green. I blew it. I didn't make a dark, dark green. So we're just going to play with the two greens, the dark green, the leather green, and the white. Okay? We won't do everything on there, but it's to give you an idea of what to do. So I chose to do the writing tip in number 2 or number 3. Okay? We're just going to zigzag because boughs do that. No set pattern. Try and make it look like it's. We're just going to fill this in.
So you're just following the little score mark that you just made?
For the triangle.
triangle.
Could you see the triangle there?
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are randoms.
Random is good.
Random is great. There's no right or wrong with buttercream.
I was going to say that makes it pretty, no fail.
Yep, no fangle. New fangle?
Yeah.